Good afternoon. So happy to be here. I'm a Capricorn with a Virgo rising, in case anybody wants to know. I'm so excited to be here. I'm a proud member of the PayPal Ventures team. We are the corporate venture capital arm of PayPal. We invest in innovation of fintech, commerce, crypto, and AI, and we are so excited to be here. It's our first time at Dev Days. Are you guys having a good time? So my colleagues are looking at amazing companies. We just invested in Mindel. They do Latin America cash management. We invested in Mesh, Raza, Robin AI. Check out the companies that we're backing because we're really proud to be a part of this ecosystem, really cultivating what's coming up next. And this year we got to participate and do a little pitch competition. So we had many people go to the website and apply to pitch. All the people who pitched, raise your hands. Are you in the audience? Got a few of you guys here. So we heard some amazing pitches from Rosen. Rosen, you're getting your money's worth. You guys are here, you guys are there. We all should know what Rosen does by the end of this conference. Thank you so much. We learned about, we even got a pitch about how to do a pitch. So I thought that was pretty cool. And we were just so enamored with everybody who kind of took that bold step. It's always hard to get up and do a pitch in front of the intimidating PayPal investors. No, they're really kind. Ian was one of our judges. So we are really excited, and we're going to announce who the winner is. Now I need a drum roll, please. Will Yu of Nash AI, are you here? Come on up. Oh, we would love to present you with this lovely rocket ship award on behalf of PayPal Ventures. And let me tell you a little about Nash AI. It's an AI-powered data intelligence platform that enables users to perform and advance company research through semantic research, customizable filters, and access to detailed financial and industry data on over 27 million businesses. And we were so impressed. He knows his stuff. He's got a strong background. He was very confident and compelling, and he's solving a real challenge and problem that we need. So we're so honored. Congratulations. You get some free advice from PayPal Ventures. You get to tap into our network, and we hope to captivate what you do.
For sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't leave yet. We have to take a picture.
We need a picture.
You get the gold.
Okay, get the gold.